Yeah. Lights out. Big money 400 block, nigga. Yeah. We know for getting money. Hood rich niggas. Yeah. Count it up. Stay stunting on these bitch niggas. Yeah. Grip straight. We grip niggas. Yeah. Real shit is no respect for you snitch niggas. We know for getting money. Hood rich niggas. Yeah. Count it up. Stay stunting on these bitch niggas. Yeah. Grip straight. We grip niggas. Yeah. Real shit is no respect for you snitch niggas. Man, I'm in with the set, man, it's team real. Buy him whole, break him down, I got cheap deals. Yeah. 6 slurps for a bag, that's good smack. Working with it 10, but I gotta bring the hood back. Yeah. Fast cash, I don't know about a slow grind. No. Charged up, nigga, call me when it's go time. Short stopping all your funds, I do you dirty. I send them niggas stew, you can call me Birdie. Fuck a contact, what you do for a perfect 10? This ain't about a rim, the Birdmen win. Poppy hit me with 100 bricks, no charge. It come in and go out, I'm like a dope dog. We know for getting money.